Hey guys, my name is Shaaanelle with the 3A's here on YouTube, 1A in real life, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this super cute poppin' high bun, high puff. This is my first time doing a high puff. This is my first time styling my natural hair and anything. And I'm really pleased with my results. I'm really I didn't think I was going to be able to set it off like this, but I did. And I love it. I'm really loving this high puff. Let me get you guys the back a little bit. This is cute. I always wanted to be able to wear a high puff because I thought they were super cute, especially on people with longer hair. So I wasn't expecting my high puff to come out like this with my hair being so short. But this came out super cute. I really love it. I love all of the volume that I have, everything. So if you want to see how I got my high puff, if your hair is similar to mine and you're trying to, get your stuff into action too and get it popping, make sure that you stay tuned for this video. If you find it helpful, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys at the end. Okay, so I washed my hair about 2 weeks ago. On a Monday or Tuesday. I believe it was Monday. It could have been Tuesday, I don't remember, but I washed my hair about 2 weeks ago. So today is Friday, and then next Tuesday would make 2 weeks, but basically about a week, 2 weeks, 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks ago is when I washed my hair. I need to get it together. After I washed it, I moisturized and sealed my hair, and then I put it into these plaits, and I have not touched it since then. My hair has been in these plaits. It has been just under a bonnet for a week and a half to 2 weeks. I have not touched it, literally. So I'm gonna take these braids out first. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, because my last wash day, well, it was my first fully natural wash day. I was so happy to do it. I went from straight to natural because I did my big chop and then I straightened my hair to get a better cut. And so that video is on the channel. So both the big chop video and the straight to natural video, straight to curly wash day, are on there. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so all the braids are out. I don't know how I want to go about this, but my hair looks pretty good. It still looks really moisturized. You can see it's pretty moisturized. It looks pretty good. So obviously for the high puff, we're gonna have to disturb it. And that's okay, but what I want to do is I want to try to keep it kind of dry, that way it stays stretched. So I don't want to put water on it just yet. Instead, I'm going to bring it up towards the center of my head. First. And I'm just working at the roots. I'm not really being aggressive, I guess, with the mid shaft and the ends. I'm just trying to focus on the roots right now to get it in position. Having my hair braided in those 6 little braids or 8 braids. Was it 8 braids? Yeah, 8 braids. Is really helpful for this actually, because I can work in small little sections to get it to go up. And I'm not having a lot of issue. Let me show you guys the back. I'm not having a lot of issue getting it up. So that's always a plus. The back is up. We're on to the sides. Y'all, my hair feels really good. Like, it feels pretty moisturized. It feels really good. Okay. So I have 3 options for tying this up. I have this long, it's kind of like an elastic, but it's just not, you know, put together. So I have this so that I can do something like this and pull, kind of like how people do with their shoestring. I have this big hair tie for like big, thick, and curly hair. And then I have another one. This one's a little thinner. So I have this elastic as well. And I'm going to just do this in the easiest way first. And then if that doesn't work out, then I'm going to try other ways. But I think the easiest way to try and get this puff is to use this little elastic. So I'm just going to put this over my head like that. That's fine with me. It's not as flat right here as I would want it, but it's up. Like, it's up. So now that I have it up, I'm just going to start playing with my hair, taking it apart. I wish I had a pick. That's something that I need to buy. Okay, so I have this pomegranate and honey curl refreshing spray from Miel, and I'm just gonna use this because like I can see through my hair right here. Like, it's not, it's a little bit too stretched. So I'm gonna use this to draw my hair back up a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of my water and aloe vera mix. It's about 1/3 aloe vera and then the rest is water. Okay, now it's looking a little more like how I want it to look. So I'm gonna take this gel from Urban Hydration. This is really good gel, especially for 4C hair. This stuff lays my edges down. Like, I never have a problem with this gel. So I'm gonna use this Urban Hydration Laid and Slayed Pro Gel to do my edges a little bit. And I'm just gonna put it on the perimeter. I'm not putting a lot on the back because I don't need it to be super slick, but that's good enough. Y'all, this gel is bomb. Like, I promise you, it's better than Eco Styler. Like, this is a bomb ass gel. I'm gonna use my Denman paddle brush to smooth a little bit. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. And then I'm gonna put this back on. I want it a little bit tighter, so I'm gonna use this other elastic that I have and see, since it's a little smaller, if I can get this a little tighter. This one I can't put over my head, so I'm just gonna gather my hair like this and throw it over. Okay, that didn't really do much. So let me try this little string elastic thing now. And I'm just tying it in the front. That. And then choose your fighter. Yeah, this is a little bit tighter how I want it. So I just tied it again in like a little double knot, and then I'm gonna tuck these two little strings underneath. Uh-oh, slipping up, no. Okay, I was gonna take those other two that I put on there off, but that's gonna mess everything up, and I'm not trying to do this all over. So this is what the back looks like so far, and I'm not gonna do anything to the back. And then this is what the front looks like. I'm pretty happy with this. Like, I'm not mad at this. All I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna take this curl maker from Camille Rose, and this is like a sweet defining jelly. I don't know. Apply generous amounts, distribute even, brush your hairs, wet while using defining jelly to finger style. Okay, so you're supposed to use it on wet hair, so I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit more on the outside, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this jelly in my hand, put it on like that, and I'm just gonna start like curling small sections like this. Tangle to your, actually, let me use my dimming brush because it does a little more with defining. My hair is really soft. Like, if y'all have not watched my first wash day, y'all should watch it. Okay, I like how this is looking. I'm not mad at this at all. Let me do a little bit more finger coiling with the jelly on my fingers. I really like this, you guys. Let me finger coil this a little better. I love this pup. Like, this looks good. Look at that. Look at this right here. Look at this. Let me show y'all. Look at that. I like this. This is cute. Okay. Let me get my brush, because I don't do like extreme little swoops, but I do like to do a little something at the front. So I'm gonna get my my little toothbrush, and I'm not using the curl maker. I'm going back to the Urban Hydration Gel, because like I said, this really lays my hair down. Like, y'all have to try this gel. It reminds me of how everybody, like, I haven't used the Got To Be for a ponytail, but it reminds me of how everybody always uses the Got To Be to like really lay their hair down, except this doesn't like make your hair hard. Like, your hair feels moisturized and in place. This is a bomb gel. So if y'all have not tried this, I highly suggest it, because it lays my edges down without curling them back up. Like, edge control don't do that for me. Like, edge control will not do this. Edge control don't do that. And my hair is hard to lay down in the front, you guys. Like, edge control be having me out here looking stupid, but this gel would never disrespect me like that. Got a little swoop action. Nothing too heavy, some light. Okay, that's it. That was really easy. Like, that was easier than I expected it to be, and this came out a lot better than I expected to. So I'm gonna get a scarf really quick to tie these down. I'm really excited for my natural hair now, you guys. Like, look at this. So I'm gonna wash my hands, I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on real quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been maybe 20 minutes, I don't know. Lay your edges for however long you like to lay them. But let's take it off and see what she did. Y'all, I look great. Hold on, let me put on some more bronzer on my forehead, because this is why I don't do my hair with scarves normally, and I just let my edges air dry, I guess you could say, or air set, because I don't like when it be looking like that. So let me put some bronzer in this area. You see how my edges are not messing up? Like, I'm putting on bronzer and nothing significant is happening to my edges. I told y'all. Okay, this is it. It's done. Y'all don't even know how happy I am, how excited I am. So this is the final look. This is my final little puff. For my first time doing a puff, I'm really excited for my results and how it came out and how it looks. Like, I'm really loving this, you guys. My hair does not look as short as it really is. I really love this high puff. So some of my suggestions for anybody who is trying out the high puff for the first time, or if you're looking to just kind of upgrade your high puff routine, definitely do it on stretched hair. I haven't tried it on my hair unstretched, but I don't really plan on having my hair in its unstretched state often. I'm probably almost always going to stretch it with some braids, with some plaits like I had at the start of the video. So I do suggest that your hair is stretched and dry, and then once you get it into the puff and you manipulate it to the height that you want it, that's when you start picking at your hair and curling it and doing your little spirals and stuff like that. I don't really know how I feel about the curl maker just yet, but I do kind of like all of the products that I used, especially that Urban Hydration Gel. If you have not tried it, y'all really need to check that gel out, because it's really, really good, especially for hair like mine, 4C hair that's just kind of, it don't want to lay with edge control, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely would suggest trying it out. What other tips do I have? Oh, you do not have to fully manipulate your hair. Like, as you saw, as I went through with mine, I really just manipulated the root section to get it up, and it wasn't hard to do because my hair was already detangled for one, when I put it into the plaits, and again, my hair was dry and stretched. I just did kind of a dry, I don't want to say a dry detangle, but I just kind of went through with my Tangle Teezer brush to go ahead and get it up into the position that I wanted it in. Another thing is that that Tangle Teezer, really good brush, you guys. Like, I know a lot of people use Denman brushes and stuff like that, but the Tangle Teezer is really good too, so don't knock it. Go ahead and try out a Tangle Teezer for your hair. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this. If this video was helpful for you, make sure that you give it a thumbs up before you go, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.